don't know.
My math, because I love math.
Oh, now I like that, and I can help with that. So how about before you go to the concert, why don't we have some fun thinking about mathy stuff?
Let's do it.
Okay, here we go. So what I want us to do today is to take a look at this bar graph,
Oh, yeah.
and I want us to order the vehicles from most to least votes.
Okay.
And I want us to write 1 for the most votes and 3 for the least votes.
Oh, this is going to be fun. Woo-hoo-hoo!
All right, so let's take a look. So here's the bar graph, and we see the favorite vehicles. That's what we're going to be looking at.
Okay.
The number of children that pick each one of these: car, truck, or dump truck. And the way you read the bar graph is you see where the color ends, and the color ends at a number, and that represents, in this case 2, the number of children that actually pick the car as their favorite vehicle.
Wow.
And here with truck, you see that blue goes all the way up to 5, which means that 5 children actually pick the truck as their favorite. And then the dump truck, you can see, goes all the way up to the top there, which if you go over, you see represents 6. So that's how you read a bar graph.
Oh, that's neat.
So just all that image really is capturing this information. It's capturing the fact that there are 2 votes for the car, 5 votes for the truck, and 6 votes for the dump truck.
Neat.
So if we want to actually look at the most votes all the way down to the least votes, which is what we want to do, the most votes is going to be the bar that's the highest, or the votes that are the greatest number, which in this case is the dump truck.
The dump truck.
And we're going to call the most votes, we're going to call that number 1. And that's why you hear, we're number 1, we're number 1.
Oh, yeah. Roxas is number 1.
All right. So we write 1, and that means that that's the most popular.
Okay.
And then the least popular is going to be the bar that's the shortest, which in this case, we can look at the numbers and see the number that's the smallest, which we see is represented by the cars. So we're going to actually write the 3 because they came in 3rd place.
I see.
And then what's in the middle? Well, the trucks got 5 votes, and you can see that bar is actually between these 2 bars in terms of the height. And so therefore, we see that we've ordered from most votes to least votes, and we called the most votes number 1, and then number 2, and then 3rd place number 3, in this case is represented by the cars. So it's interesting that even though the trucks got a bigger number of votes, when we write them in kind of order of preference, it's 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. And that's how we look at bar graphs.
Oh, wow, that's so cool. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Oh, Professor Berger, I just love bar graphs.
Great.
Hey, let's do another one.
Sure.
For Roxas. Because I love math.
Oh, I love math. I love math.
I love math.
Have fun with math. We'll see you soon.
Woo!